Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Aline, and if you're looking for a video review that tells the whole truth about Dentitox, you're in the right place, because I'm going to give you 3 important tips to know if Dentitox was made for you or not. But first, let me tell you some very important information about Dentitox. Dentitox is getting more and more famous, and because of this many people are selling the product that is not original, and this can really damage your health, so pay attention, okay? To help you guys, I left the link to the official website here below in the video description so you can see more details about Dentitox, no worries, okay? So now I will tell you if Dentitox works and how to use Dentitox. You are probably trying to find the best way to rebuild your gums and teeth without harming your health. Dentitox Pro has a 100% natural solution that you can use to do so. Its formula consists of amazing vitamins and plants, such as vitamins A, C, D3 and K2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, microencapsulated calcium, mec, xylitol, collagen, MSM and spearmint/peppermint. Dentitox Pro will help you stop bleeding and receding gums, eliminate pain and infections, and eliminate bad breath and all the embarrassing moments caused by it. Dentitox Pro can be used by anyone at any age, okay? You need to take 6 drops of Dentitox Pro once a day, but pay attention, you need to take it every day for at least 30 days, and if you want to see better results you can take it for 3 to 6 months. So that's where the first tip comes in, because you really need to have discipline and take your treatment seriously, or else you won't see results and will get a little frustrated. The second tip is that every body reacts in a unique way, and it may be that your result may be different from another person, and don't trust people who say they have used Dentitox and rebuild their gums and teeth in a few days, because you know it doesn't exist and it's not real, okay? The third tip is, again, be careful about the website you are going to buy from. Dentitox should not be sold on sites like Amazon or eBay, because Dentitox is sold only on the official one, on the site that I left below in the description of this video for you. Don't be prepared to buy Dentitox if you think you will see results overnight, or if you don't have discipline and don't take the treatment seriously, and most importantly you really need to pay attention and buy Dentitox from the official site. Dentitox is backed by a 60-day guarantee with 100% of your money back, so if you test it and don't get results you are happy with, you can return it for a full refund. So in this video I told you the whole truth about the Dentitox product, but if you still have any questions, leave them here below in the comments, I will be very happy to help you.